Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'll share with you all how I make this dodo that you can enjoy with your stew and rice. As you can see, look at that stew. It tastes so yummy. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you're watching me from. Right now we're going to be frying plantain. I have three ripe plantain. I've already washed the skin of the plantain. Now I'm just going to peel it. Just gonna cut. And with this, be careful with your hand, with the knife. Don't cut your hands. Little bit salt. Then shake it. I have my oil on the fire. My oil is heating up, as you can see. This is my oil. Now I'm just gonna fry this on a low heat. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate every one of you. To all my new subscribers and my new followers, thank you so much for joining the family. And to all my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every one of you. May God bless every one of you. Thank you so much for the love and support. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Okay, it's very important. Okay, give me a love and like, and also share also, because sharing is caring. I love you guys. Okay guys, the plantain is ready. This is exactly how I love my plantain. I don't like my dodo to be too ripe. Okay, I don't want it to soak. When it's too ripe, it will soak like a lot of oil. I want it medium ripe. Then when I fry it, it will be brown and a little bit crispy. As you can see, exactly how I love my dodo. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate you guys. If you are new to my page, please don't hesitate to like and follow my page, and don't hesitate also to share You can enjoy your dodo with stew and rice, or you can enjoy your dodo with egg. Okay. For today, I'm just gonna be enjoying it with my rice and stew. I'm about to make a mukbang. You guys watch out for the video, okay? Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like the video also. I'll see you all in my next video, and watch out for my mukbang that's coming up after this video, okay? Bye, guys. Bye.